Well, hello and welcome back. It's me, Miss V. I just took a beautiful cruise, an 8-day cruise with Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and I had an oceanfront room, and I want to show you what that room looked like. I did some research on it before I went, but I want to show you mine so that you have something to look forward to when you're choosing to go on a cruise for an oceanfront balcony room. All right. This is just getting on board.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
See? Oof. I get used to this weather. Ah, Lord. Okay, so we have 73, 74, and 73, 76. We have the car keys. They usually set them in there. So you got to take your car key with you. And as you open the door, you can see that you have a closet right up front. This is the light. There's a light there. Turn it on and turn it off with the switches right by the door. All right. And see, I guess that's so that the handle doesn't smash the door panel. As you come in, you'll see that we have two sets of drawers here. Yep, one seat in the middle. We got good mirrors. Yay! And we have electrical docks, on and off announcement channel, voltage. But we will be using the 120 volts over here. So you have one voltage over there, the other voltage over here. A TV. What will we be doing without a TV? Here's a safe that you can use to store your jewelry and valuables in it. When you place your valuables in it, you have to create a password or a 4-digit in order to get that. The directions are right there, so take your time to find that out. And you got other storage. It's an interchangeable. And there's the bed. It's all tucked in. A phone. And this is another bed. This couch pulls out to another bed. If you should want to, have guests over and you need another bed. And what do we have here? The balcony. It's well lit. If you want to have like no sunshine, it has a blackout curtain here. See? So that you can get some sleep if you want to. But just to let the sunshine in. The thing about the balcony is that it's hot when you open it up. When you push it down and open it, you gotta bring it all the way back in order to slide it. Yes. We have a nice big table here. This is a roomy balcony. And here's the sea. You want to come and see, Vonnie? Beautiful. The port of Miami. We really are towards the front of the ship, I think. Yeah, we are really close to the front of the ship. Virgin building across the street. And look at that. We're going to go up to the Lido deck. It's hot out here in the balcony, so it's great. You can dry your clothes off out here. This is hot. To be efficient, and keep the air conditioning inside though. Woo. Yeah, I know. You gotta swing that handle all the way around. And it's so bright, right? It's nice, huh?
I didn't see this. It's right here in my thing. I took everything out just looking.
Oh my. Okay, so Skill Filming. They have very good lighting in this whole room. And this room is pretty good size for an ocean side stateroom. We have the bathroom with hooks in it. Watch your step. And yeah, you gotta turn on the lights here. There you go. Oh, this shower is just sufficient. That's all you need. Soap up, get out, and hurry and go have some more fun. It looks like you can actually put a rag up there though. They got this little divisive cord here. But it's definitely a good size shower. They have some soap in there, but you might want to bring your own soap. The toilet is off the floor, I think it is. Yeah, it is. And we got 2 towels here. You can put a lot of stuff underneath if we want. And of course we have open pull underneath it. Open it. Oh well. Okay. Let's just say that this is going to be a very good trip. And we're just getting here, ready to have some fun. Okay. Nice. The bathroom is just perfect, but you gotta watch your step going in and out. So, we are going to start our adventures with Royal Caribbean and the Explorer of the Seas, stateroom 74, or 74, 73, or 73, 74. It was 70. We're just getting here. Nice. How about these 2 spots here? You want to do these 2? Yeah. They're taking. They're not taking. I know they got them in here tight for a reason. Oh, watch your hand. Don't hurt her. You okay? This is the Ocean Balcony stateroom 7374.